I can start stabbing it instantly.
Yeah, you can start. Oh wow, it's really right above you. Look at the random crack in the wall. Look at
He's
this
ready and I'm ready.
monstrosity.
He's gonna die. And I'm the monstrosity here.
Yes, he's staring right at your face. Just
Good.
say he's
Good.
staring right
Good.
at
Good.
your
Stare at the face of
face.
death.
Can you actually see his thing popping out?
No.
Are you ready?
5 years.
Fires, alright. Damn, this thing is loud.
Yeah, I'm getting rid of that sound.
You're going to die.
I'm gonna win. That's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, it's breaking. It's breaking. It's
Dead.
breaking.
Mate, yeah, hear me?
This is taking a while to break.
Haha, it's safe. I knew it.
It have taunts. Okay. Okay. Damn. Ooh, somebody's. Ooh. In your face. Oh, ouch. I like the swimming animations. So nice. Oh, arrows aren't effective when they are far away. Oh, it's staring at your face. I think it's gonna die. What? It bounced off.
What? Hacker, hacker.
Ouch.
Wow, this guy cheating already.
What?
He can't wait so he turn on hex already.
Oh,
Come. Face.
hackings. Ouch. Wow, how much hacks did that deal?
He used like my health in one beam.
Half
Then-
your health.
Yeah, then it's the thorns. But it's fine, I have thorns too, which is also breaking soon.
Oh. And your boots are broken. Oh, whoa! Hey, you get a sponge, you get a sponge.
If I can get a sponge, I would just make him drown to death.
There's a
Oh, he died.
sponge.
Oh, I
He
didn't know he
died and
died.
dropped a sponge.
Ah, victory, easy.
So you're gonna wreck the other one?
Oh yeah, no wait. Oh, he was right up. He was right up here. Are you kidding? I'm very. I'm done. He was right.
Wait, so you're telling me your position is very close to him?
Okay, come. You see this?
Yeah.
You see that stone right there?
Oh, wow. Oh, okay.
Last game.
It hits you so much. There's another Elder Guardian.
What in this same?
Yes. There are two. There are three. Okay, there are three.
Oh shit, I'm gonna die. I saw one of them. Okay, I saw both the tails already.
There are big fat tails. The amount of guardians in this area. Oh. Holy cow, the amount of bins.
I'm just gonna pass by. I'm peaceful. Don't mind me. I'm just here to kill your leaders, cause your leaders are pieces of shit. Nobody likes your leaders. You know, just don't mind me. I'm just passing by.
Okay, don't mind me, yo.
Ooh,
The sponges. You found the area.
problem is I'm gonna break them.
You are not gonna break one. Not even one. Before drowning.
Wait. Oh wait, yes I am.
Unless you're doing a tricky method.
Can I stop? Okay, good. Easy, okay, time to break this one above me.
Oh, okay. You need a furnace to cool it off though.
Fuck. It's fine, it's fine, I'll just collect them for now. It's no big deal. Any day now. Anytime now.
Yeah.
Anytime now. I'm gonna get mining fatigue soon, aren't I? I'm stuck in here, aren't I? Piece of shit.
You are stuck.
Look, man, I'm not stuck, okay?
Oh my god, the treasure room is just right beside you.
Exactly, but it's also filled with like a million guardians.
Yeah, a million, a zillion. And the elder guardian should be somewhere.
The other guardians. I saw both the tails already just now.
Yeah. It's linked to the treasure room.
Yeah. And the other one is
The other side.
this side. Watch, I'm gonna get mining fatigue in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No. What happened with it?
No, wait, no, it didn't. Fuck! I was at 3 seconds left before it wore off. Piece of shit. 3 seconds. Maybe if we crush, we won't get mining fatigue.
So you got it again.
Yes.
So if you crouch, you will not get it.
Are you recording by any chance?
Apparently yes.
Oof.
Oof.
Are you spectating?
Yes.
Are you point of viewing?
No.
Good.
Cause look at this very fancy treasure box. What's in there? Gold, right?
It's gold. Blocks and stuff.
I see. Where's my boat? Okay, yeah, there we go. So we came from south, I believe.
We came from the north. We went south, I think.
Sure about that?
I think so.
I got a mighty suspicion that you are right.
Of course I'm right. Wait, so you're recording?
Yeah, and I'm exploring around like nothing else.
This boring shit.
It's like mining, more mining.
This isn't even mining.
Now
like
this
fire.
is breaking.
This fire is one block.
Where is our boat?
Okay, I think we should continue this next time.
Yeah, sure. So what? You're going back?
No, 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 no. I found all this. Why would I go back?
Okay. I don't think it's north as well. I think I officially lost the boat.
But
Wait a second. What is the coordinates that I wrote? Whoops! It's gone.
negative 50, 62, and 0.
Negative 50.
62 and 0.
Oh, I found it.
Maxim let go of left click. Piece of shit.
I think we go northwest. Yeah, I think I hated northwest. What am I doing? Why did I hit northwest instead? Where is this the temple? Wait a second. This is a different temple.
Probably
Oh,
the one we found first.
yeah. That is northwest. So just now, it's in. We went south. Right.
Piece of. So did you end it?